Have you ever stared at the physics formula and thought when you're sitting in the classroom and thinking that this is not for me? All these symbols on the board, and your brain quietly goes, yeah, this is not for me. Maybe you have even said it out loud, Sir, I hate physics. But here's something nobody told you. You probably already like physics. You just don't call it physics yet. For example, when you wonder why a cricket ball flies the way it does, why bikes don't just fall when they turn a sharp corner, how your phone screen reacts the moment you touch it. Isn't it curious? That is physics. Welcome to Certainty of Physics. This channel exists for one reason, to take all that scary looking math and turn into simple, clear stories you can actually understand. Here we make a strong foundation which make a confidence of the subject. Real life examples which is more related and rememberable, easy explanation with easy language, regular language that we use generally, and clearing the concept with a clarity. Here we don't start with formulas. We start with you and your daily life. Every lesson goes like, instead of confusing derivations, simple real life example. Boredom and anxiety, intuition and curiosity. Instead of memorizing and forgot, we make it is understand permanently. In this channel, every lesson goes like the story. We always start with a relatable narratives, just like a ball falling, a bike taking a turn, a phone charging overnight. Real life examples connecting the story to something you experience daily, then the concept, understanding the underlying mechanism, just like we slowly uncover what actually happening behind the scene. And finally, which is very difficult you thinking, just we can make it is very simple as the mathematics formula. It feels obviously not scary. Instead of memorizing them, you can feel how it can be works. For example, I can say that E is equal to mc square. By hearting it, you will just know what is the real meaning about energy and mass. Here, the more examples. When the story comes first, the physics become very easy. So before going to the Newton's laws of motion, we think why the man falls when the bus suddenly takes a break. And before going to the electricity and electromagnetism, first we think why we get suddenly a shock near the doorknob. And before going to the waves mechanism and the sound, we think how the guitar and the drums are playing. On certainty of physics, we follows the four concepts. The simple first one is concept videos, which is very short. And in these videos, we explain clearly and without any rush. Here we have the step by step and slow phase. Next, we come to the real life connectivity or real life examples. We are trying to make every chapter directly to connect your day-to-day life examples. And next, problem solving sessions. In these sessions, not just answer the questions, but you come to know how to think also. And the last one, but not the least, it is very, very important, the short revision videos. Mostly the students will wait for this during the examinations. That is a quick, high impact summaries right before your examination. That will be a sharp recap right before your examination. Our channel motto is very simple. If you can't explain an idea in simple words, you have not fully understood it yet, which makes true understanding demands absolutely simplicity and replacing the fear of failure with the curiosity of how things works. Physics is not at all difficult. You just need to explain in the right way. If you recognize these symptoms, physics simply too hard, I don't understand what is physics in class, I just memorize it all and forgot it after the examination, then you are the exactly whose this channel is for. Actually, the physics is not a subject. It is the story of our universe really works. So I request you to join the journey of the certainty of physics. Stop memorizing, start understanding. So, if you are ready to stop memorizing and start understanding, then hit the subscribe, turn on the bell, and join the Certainty of Physics family. Let us replace fear with curiosity. Let's make the physics simple, clear, maybe very fun. And welcome to my channel.